Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Portronics TOAD 12 wireless mouse. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the device looks like. And there's one feature that they'd like to highlight, namely that this uses a 2.4 gigahertz wireless protocol for communication. Then on one side, we have some additional features being highlighted. It's got some sort of 3D technology, followed by the dongle, which is very small. It's easy to hold because of 3D ergonomic design. On the other side, you have the product name. Again, nothing on the top aside from the logo. And on the backhand side, we have some additional features. One to do with the compact design. Second, it consumes very less energy. It works with, the clicks, the buttons on the left and right clicks happen to be rated for 30 lakh clicks. And the same thing is stated again. You have a little mention of the warranty. Always check the Amazon listings page to understand how long the product is covered for and what all is covered. Then you have the manufacturer's contact information. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first we have a little pamphlet warranty note from Portronics. All you need to do is take a photo of your invoice or receipt and send it to a certain phone number to register your device for warranty. Then you have the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand how to operate your device, what all buttons this has, and what are the specifications. Speaking of which, we have that mentioned over here. This thing has a resolution of 1000 dpi, a polling rate of 250 Hz, uses 16 channels. The engine is optical, that is the sensor, and it can track at a distance of up to 15 meters. The mouse key life is about 3 million strikes, and this thing is about 66 grams in weight. There's also a compatibility note. It's compatible with the Windows 2000 ME, XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, and Mac OS X, which is more than version 10.4. I'll place this over here. Then you have the little pouch within which the mouse is given. Now let's get to the mouse. It's quite compact and small with very audible left and right clicks. Even the scroll wheel button is quite audible. You have a little branding on the bottom, a very glossy surface on the top. On the bottom, you have skid pads in all four corners, a chamber for the battery, and there's the sensor. When we open the chamber, you can also find dongle. This is what you use to connect the mouse to your PC. And obviously, the chamber is quite compact. This thing uses a AA cell. That's it for the unboxing of the Portronics TOAD 12 wireless mouse. Thank you for watching.